I went to Blade Show Orlando and got this incredible knife. Really hard to find them. This is Demko knives, custom knives, shot clock, AD20. Let's open it up. Beautiful holster over here with the patch. Demko shot lock. And this is a custom. It costed me $2,000. Before you're going to say it was too expensive, people buy them for $4,000 and they're incredibly hard to get, like on eBay and such websites. Wow, really soft. The only way you can pretty much buy the custom ones are at the Blade Show. And the way it works, push, and it not just pull back right here, it pulls up a little bit. And then it pulls up a little bit, and it's so smooth. So first of all, easy to close and open this way. Thumb stud, incredibly smooth. Wow, I should have got a couple of them. I love this anodized, I think titanium handle, and it looks like teeth. Wow, beautiful. And on the inside over here it says Magna Cut. Beautiful. Look how thick that blade is, and it's not even that heavy. Let's see, perfectly balanced knife, that's why I would hold it. So it's just very comfortable to hold it. It's not too heavy on the phone, not too heavy in the back, just perfectly level knife. Incredible. So this makes a really nice collector knife, but also I wouldn't be afraid using it because it is incredibly strong knife too. It will last a lifetime.